every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need.
What a beautiful Sunday here in Albissola, guys. Whoa. Look at this. What a beautiful day. Welcome to Albissola Beach, guys. If you've never been here, you should try. This is not a lake, this is a sea, guys. Whoa, look at those dogs.
Poi, altra circostanza, l'uscita per
Did you saw those giant dogs, you know? Guys. What a beautiful day in Albissola.
La moglie è sempre Luciano. Ah, Luciano sì. No, ma questo qui da sì, ha le due ragazze.
Oh. Wow, guys. Wow. Looks really beautiful, you know. I'm actually speechless, you know. Exploring all these beaches, like, oh my goodness. So yesterday I was at Savona Beach, but yeah, the beach is not as busy as that of Albissola. Yeah. Here the beach is like, right now people are just coming in, people are coming. Like in the next few hours, perhaps when you come around here, you might not even get a space to swim. And just to remind you also, today is Sunday. Yeah, yesterday I was at Savona Beach, but it was not extremely busy like this. Not extremely busy. Summer fun. This is called summer fun in Italy. If you are in Italy and you are living around the coastlines, tell us how you're actually spending your summer around that end. Yeah, I would love to know other places. Yeah, tell us where you are and how you're spending your summer out there, guys. Am I lost, or maybe there is a way somewhere around that end?
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate.
You see kids playing, laughing. Oh, that's really awesome. I love it. So guys, I am actually done swimming. Yeah, I'm just exploring this beach right now. Just want to show you how it looks here. Look at that view, guys. I don't know if you can see this clearly because of the sun. Yeah. So it's such a beautiful beach. People are swimming, having amazing moment. Actually, today is Sunday, so of course people are free. And you know, a lot of people are also on vacation, so places like these are always congested. So I even came a little bit early. Yeah, I came a little bit early, so it's like oh, it's sunny around here, you know. Wow, wow. So, oh, more and more coming. What a beautiful day in Albissola. I just want you to have this view. I don't know. Because of the sun, I don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah.